Welcome back, learners. So now just to do a quick recap of what transpired in this lesson, we started by looking at the main idea being the electric cells, and then from there we went to the sub-idea being the cell as a chemical system. We looked at a cell as a chemical system. We further then went on to look at a cell as a source of electricity, and then looked at a battery as a group of cells. Then with that, to explain the main idea, we used words such as battery, electric cell, electrolyte, and electrode. And that's now a battery, a group of two or more electric cells connected together. In this case, they can either be connected in series or sometimes be connected in parallel. Then an electric cell, that's now a system in which chemical reactions occur to generate electricity. So an electric cell, that's now a system in which chemical reactions, they happen there, and they happen because they are going to be generating electricity. Then an electrolyte, that's now a special type of solution which can conduct electricity. Remember, it can be a solution or a paste that is used to conduct electricity. And then lastly, an electrode. That's now an electric conductor used to make contact with a non-metal part of the circuit, such as a copper coin or iron nail, even in a lemon, or zinc or copper plates in a cell. Then now, what I want you to always remember whenever you're thinking about this lesson on electric cells, these are the things that I want you to remember. That's number one, electric cells and batteries are a source of energy and are used to power electrical appliances. So all the electrical appliances that we are seeing around us, they are powered by the electric cells or the batteries, because remember, batteries is a group of cells, group of two or more cells that are connected together. Then number two, when two or more cells are connected to one another, they form a battery, as we have said. When we're connecting two or more cells together, that combination is going to be called a battery. But if it's just the one with a negative terminal and a positive terminal, it is just going to be referred to as a cell. Then the last thing that I want you to remember, also the most important things that I want you to remember is that cells may be connected to one another in different ways to form a battery. So we can connect cells in series, we can also connect cells in parallel. However, remember that the output energy that you're going to be getting when cells are connected in series is going to be different from when our cells are connected in parallel. So, with all of this information, will you then be able to answer this challenge that I have for you? And the question is, what is meant by electrical resistance? You are going to answer this question for me, and I will see you next time. And then until then, goodbye.